I hate school so much.
Caillou, it's time for school. Caillou, what are you doing in the kitchen? Go to school.
Fine. When Caillou got to school.
Okay class, today we are gonna learn about algebra.
I hate math. What should I do? I know. I will pull the fire alarm. Hey, Miss Martin.
Yes Caillou?
May I use the bathroom?
Of course, just don't take too long.
Let's run away now.
Ooh, through the security cameras I see Caillou pulled the fire alarm. Let's call him through the speakers. Caillou, come to the principal's office now. Oh. Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are suspended for a week. Go home now.
Ooh. Caillou, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm. That's it. You are grounded for 756,286,291 decades. Go to your room now.
Wah!